안녕! Welcome back to 동그라미 Korean. Today we're gonna learn how to make possessive forms of nouns and pronouns like I, me, mine, you, yours, he, his, her, hers, so on and so on. Let's go! So basically, to make a possessive form of noun, you have to put apostrophe s in English, right? It's similar in Korean. You just add 의 behind the noun. Again, 의, 의. It's like and 이 pronounced fast together. 의. So it's somewhere between 이 and we. It's a complicated pronunciation, but there are tricks to it. So let's see what's coming up. For example, let's say teacher's friend. In Korean, that would be 선생님의 친구. 선생님의 친구. But you can pronounce it fast and say 선생님의 친구. Like 선생님의, like AE sound. So, 선생님의 친구. Another example is the computer's color. In Korean, that would be 컴퓨터의 색깔. 컴퓨터의 색깔. It's easy, right? You just add 의 behind the noun. Now let's see how that applies to pronouns like my, your, our. Remember, in Korean, there are polite forms and casual forms of speech. There is the same for pronouns. And for possessive forms of pronouns, there's also short form. So let's look at these. First up is the polite form of I. I in Korean is 저, 저. If you make that into a possessive form, my, it would be 저의, 저의. But more often, we use the short form of 저의, which is 제, 제. For example, let's say the sentence I am 뭐뭐. Easily, it's 저는 뭐뭐예요. 저는 뭐뭐예요. Now let's see the possessive form. Example, this is my phone. In Korean, it would be 이것은 저의 폰이에요. 이것은 저의 폰이에요. If you make that into a short form, it would be 이것은 제 폰이에요. 이것은 제 폰이에요. Wait. For demonstrative nouns like this, that, and it, please look at my other video regarding this, that, and it in the link. Now let's see the casual form of I. I, casual form, is 나. Possessive form, my, becomes 나의. 나의. Again, put in short form, it becomes 내. 내. Let's see examples. The sentence, I am a student. 나는 학생이야. 나는 학생이야. 나는 학생이야. Possessive form, my. Santoshi is my friend. 산토시는 나의 친구야. 나의 친구야. Now let's see you. Polite form first. You politely said is 당신. 당신. If you make that into a possessive form, your, it becomes 당신의. 당신의. Again, said fast, you can just say 당신의. 당신의. The polite form of you didn't have short form for the possessive part, but for casual form, it has. First, you in casual form is 너. 너. Your becomes 너의. 너의. Now let's make that into a short form. It becomes 내. 내. It sounds the same as my, which was also 내, but it's spelled a bit differently. See, the vowel is different. But in casual conversations, instead of 내, we say 네 for your, but not for my. It's only for your. 네. For example, let's look at sentences again. The sentence, when is your birthday? 너의 생일은 언제야? 너의 생일은 언제야? Put that into short form. It becomes 내 생일은 언제야? 내 생일은 언제야? Put that into more commonly used casual form. It becomes 네 생일은 언제야? 네 생일은 언제야? For other pronouns like we, he, she, and they, they're all easy because they don't have short forms. You just put 의 after the pronoun. But just to refresh our memories, let's go through all of them very quickly. We polite form is 저의. 저의. Possessive form, our, becomes 저희의. 저희의. We casual form is 우리. 우리. Now possessive form, our, becomes 우리의. 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 Again, the pronunciation can just be 우리의. 우리의. For he, polite and casual form are the same, which is 그. 그. Possessive form, his, would become 그의. 그의. Easily put, it's 그의. 그의. She, again, is the same in polite and casual way. 그녀. 그녀. Possessive form, her, is 그녀의. 그녀의. Or 그녀의. 그녀의. They, again, is the same politely and casually. 그들. 그들. Possessive form their becomes 그들의. Or 그들의. We covered I and my. In English, there is also mine, right? So let's see how to make that. Mine, yours, and ours. So basically, mine is short form of my thing in Korean. So you put noun and 의, 것 behind the noun, which literally means somebody's thing. For example, the sentence, this is mine. 이것은 나의 것이야. 이것은 나의 것이야. Short form, you can say 이것은 내 것이야. 내 것이야. Honestly, there's no expression that exactly matches mine, yours, ours, and these kind of possessive pronouns in English. So in Korean, instead, if you say 나의 것, it literally means my thing. So by saying 이것은 내 것이야, you will be saying this is my thing. which can be also translated as this is mine. Same for the sentence this is yours. 이것은 당신의 것이에요. 당신의 것이에요. Similarly, let's try another sentence. This song is the singer's. In Korean, you would say 이 노래는 그 가수의 것이야. 가수의 것이야. 이 노래는 this song is 그 가수 that singer 그 가수의 것 that singer's 그 가수의 것이야 to make it a sentence. So again, 이 노래는 그 가수의 것이야. So today we learned I, my, and mine. In sentence example, there were words that we learned in my Korean vocabulary playlist and also my other video contents like this, that, and it. So those of you who didn't watch these contents yet, I recommend you watch these videos first and it's gonna help you for sure. Don't forget to subscribe and see you again. Bye!